Welcome to Bricks Smart YouTube channel. Today I would like to unboxing this LEGO City 60260, and I saw this picture. It's very interesting and made me excited to open it. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start our unboxing. Now we are done unboxing this LEGO City 60260, and it's very interesting because inside it there are one plane and two helicopters. The most interesting part is this helicopter. They can fly high when you pull the string, and you can play with your friends and family. So why don't you try? Bring one set home and try it at home so you can feel it. It's time to say goodbye again. If you like this video, please like and share. And the most important thing is subscribe our YouTube channel and push the bell button so you can receive a notification once we upload a new video. See you next time. Bye!